Connectivity creates jobs, and if you look at all over New Zealand, the places where people are running businesses now, that would not be possible without internet connectivity. It is huge. Started off 15 years ago in a shed with my wife, Alison, packing boxes and rolling out cable on the front lawn to measure it. We've gone from that to having nearly 25 staff.
A key part of our success has been our relationship with Streakwave Wireless. We partnered with them in 2013, and that's given us access to a lot of products that would have not otherwise been available in New Zealand.
Go Wireless's main mission really is to be able to provide equipment for customers to do their wireless installs. So we do everything from wireless point-to-point links that are from 50 metres to 50 kilometres out of the box. And we do everything from 300 megahertz right up to 80 gigahertz, 8 kilobits a second right up to 10 gigabits a second full duplex.
A Go Wireless customer can range from someone out in their farm just looking to get a better internet connection through to one of the top telcos in New Zealand. Good product knowledge for the clients gives them an educated view to know what they want. Going out every day and just connecting those last little endpoints all dotted around New Zealand where the traditional means just wouldn't service that at all.
We are willing to go the extra mile for our customers, so whether that be offering certified training courses, offering that extra 10 or 20 minutes on the phone, assisting our customers find the right solution if they weren't aware of where to look.
We're always thinking of new ideas, new ways of doing things. We like to be seen as the leaders in the industry.
There's heaps of things that I love about Go Wireless. It's awesome. I love how everyone's so passionate and always wanting to know about taking on board the latest technology, listening to what customers are wanting. We like to go above and beyond, really.
Oh, hi Lee, it's Daniel from Go Wireless here. How are you?
It's the people aspect that really shines for Go Wireless and makes us stand out.
Our everyday brand personality here is bubbly, creative, but professional without suits.
The team culture at Go Wireless is, there's a lot of coffee involved. Everyone's got the similar goal in mind. We're very customer focused.
We have the autonomy to be trusted with our skill set and to do what we do best.
In Go Wireless, it's a very flexible environment that allows people to really blossom and work to their strengths as opposed to just being assigned a dedicated role or task.
I love my workmates, I would call them, the variety of people and their different strengths. People love helping each other.
I really do enjoy taking people through a journey from not knowing a particular product line or technology and seeing them grow over the course of the training, seeing them come out the other side with some useful knowledge.
Our main goal is to be able to have a product that will fit pretty much anybody's budget and project size. So that can be right from a small integrator right up to an enterprise.
We don't just move stock. We basically support everything we sell.
The biggest factor is actually how they can work smarter, how they can integrate technology into their normal everyday jobs and lives. And it's always fun just watching someone's face light up when they realise, wow, I can do this from my phone.
Bridging that digital divide, it's bringing connectivity to the people that wouldn't previously have it.
We just sort them out, we give them the best assistance that we can on the phones, get the orders out real quick. They're happy.
I feel most satisfied that because of equipment that we were bringing in from the early days that no one else is bringing into New Zealand, that would have added hundreds of millions of dollars to the New Zealand economy.
We know what we're doing and we're there to empower you to know what you're doing as well.
We offer great support, we stand behind every product we sell. You can pop in, order online. If you have an issue with something wireless, give us a call, we'll be able to help you.